Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Today I want to talk about Cerave. It's a very well-known brand, especially in YouTube, social media, and internet, an American pharmaceutical brand. I label it a pharmaceutical brand because these are the brands that produce products with minimal basic formulas in a way, in the sense that they don't add a lot of extra things that can cause irritation. Here in New Zealand and Australia, we've got a few pharmaceutical brands here like QV, Alpha Carry, Dermavine, Roskin. So here down under, we have our own pharmaceutical brands too. And they very much do the same thing. They're very well priced, so they're not overly expensive. So they're usually quite cheap. They're available in most pharmacies. The formulations are nice and basic, and most of the time they're used for treating any skin conditions so that they don't cause irritation, agitation, redness on your skin. They're there to heal your skin as such. So Cerave is what I call an American pharmaceutical brand. So I decided to buy some Cerave products. They're not available here in New Zealand anyway. I can't find them anywhere in any drugstore in New Zealand. So I bought a couple of Cerave products from Amazon. One of the first products that I have tried and used a couple of weeks now, the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. All the Cerave products has got ceramides in it. I think that's where they take the name Cerave, from ceramide. And all of them, I believe, have 3 ceramides. So all the products have got 3 ceramides in it. And this one here, I'm just going to read the ingredients to you. Ceramide NP, EOP-AP. It has your sodium hyaluronate, which is your hyaluronic acid, panthenol, vitamin B5, and niacinamide. And then it's just got a whole lot of what you call emollients. It's very basic. It doesn't have all your antioxidant, anti-aging peptides, and so forth. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out to you and show you. Alice Pump. So it's a very, they call it serum, but I would call it a very, very soft cream, because I tend to think of serum in a very gel-like or watery-like texture. Yeah, to me, this is a very soft cream. It's almost in between serum and a cream. Yeah, so it absorbs easily. Yeah, absorbs really easily. Whitish in texture. Absolutely no fragrance, which is what I like. Yeah, most pharmaceutical brands, they don't have any fragrance in them. Yeah, very nice, neutral fragrance. Absorbs easily into my skin. I apply it onto my face. For this one here, I got it from Amazon. So by the time I add my postage with a few other products, price at $18. Yeah, the thing about this is, for the price. So by the time I add in my shipping, I'm probably looking at $25 for a serum. So $25 for a serum is very well priced, and a ceramide serum with hyaluronic acid. So this is a very, what you call, really low cost, affordable, and accessible brand. Really is. Nothing wrong with this product. Absorbs into my skin really nicely. It's got ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide or vitamin B5. So very affordable. For me personally, someone with specific skin concerns, I've got aging skin with wrinkles and fine lines. So I need a little bit more. So I prefer my Cerave does have vitamin C and retinol products, which I have yet to try. I have purchased a vitamin C and a retinol product, which I will do the videos in future. For somebody with specific needs, I like to have a product that has a few more anti-aging properties, a few more antioxidants in them. So for me, it doesn't meet all my needs. Yeah, I would prefer to spend a little bit more and get a product like the Paula's Choice Super Antioxidant Concentrate Serum. This has become my favorite, you know. This one has got a ton of antioxidants and peptides and one ceramide plus the vitamin C in a stable form of vitamin C in THD. So this one, yeah, I'm looking at $50, but I'm just get a little bit more, a few more antioxidants and peptides and the stable form of vitamin C. Yeah, whereas this one, just a more basic formula. So as what they call horses for courses. So this is half the price. For those, if this is your budget, this is a brilliant product. Fragrance free, doesn't have any other irritants, gives you the ceramide and the hyaluronic acid. Yeah, I find it easy to use, nothing wrong with it. But somebody like me with mature skin, aging skin, with pigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, I just need a little bit more. I need something that would slow down the aging of my skin, something that would reduce oxidative stress, something that is scavenge free radicals and just add in a bit more peptides, antioxidants. So yeah, I just prefer a product. I'm paying a little bit more, twice the price, but this product is just packed with antioxidants and anti-aging ingredients. So yeah, horses for courses. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you guys again. Bye.